Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the default Apache HTTP port on Linux. So in order to do it, we have to go into terminal, so I will open the terminal. And first of all, we need to make sure that our Apache 2 is installed, because we need to change the port of Apache 2, so it should work. So how can we check that? Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. It will show us the Apache 2 status. As you can see, for me it is active and running. If you don't have it installed, you can watch the video where I showed you how to install Apache 2, and I think it might be useful for you, so you can go and watch it. And right now we can move to changing our port. So by default, HTTP port is set to 80 and HTTPS port is set to 443. We'll change that, but I will show you how to check if our Apache 2 is working on the port 80. So if I will type in localhost into my browser with double dot like this and 80, as you can see, it will show me the Apache 2 default page. So that means it is working at Apache 280. But if I will, for example, use the port, for example 8080 or I don't know 7000, it will not work. It is unable to connect, and we will change that to the port 7000, and I will show you how to do it. So in order to change the port to the Apache 2 port, we have to edit the file. In order to edit the file, we have to use sudo, because it is required. Basically, administration permissions are required, and we have to use nano in order to edit the file, and the file is in the etc in Apache 2, and the file name is ports.conf, like this. We can press enter, and right now, as you can see, by default it is listening on port 80, as I said before, and if there is a SSL module, it is listening on the port 443, also as I said before. So we will change that port. This is the HTTP port, so we will change that into, for example, 7000. So we will save that. How you can save that? By pressing Ctrl+O on your keyboard, enter, and Ctrl+X in order to exit. And right now, it is very important to restart your Apache 2, because without restarting it, the changes basically won't be applied. So sudo systemctl restart and Apache 2. I will make sure that my Apache 2 is still working, so I will use again the status command, status and Apache 2. As you can see, it is active and running. And right now, if we will go into my browser again, and I will use localhost and 7000, as you can see, it is working fine. And this is basically how you can use your Apache 2 on the port 80. As you can see, it is no longer able to connect, so everything is working fine as we expected. Our Apache 2 is listening on the port 7000, because that's how it works. This is not secured information. This doesn't really matter. If I will restart it, it will work again. But that's basically all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.